In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an n8n JSON to a new workflow. By the end, you'll be able to duplicate an existing automation into a fresh workspace in just a couple of clicks, keeping your structure intact and ready to adjust for a new purpose. First, open the workflow you want to copy in the n8n editor. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll see a three dots menu. This is where n8n keeps most of the workflow level actions. Click that menu and choose Download. n8n will generate a JSON file that represents your entire workflow, nodes, connections, and settings. It won't include sensitive credentials, so you don't need to worry about exposing secrets in this file. Your browser will save the file, typically to your default Downloads folder. Take note of where it lands and what it's called. It should have a .json extension. Once the download is complete, move to the destination where you want the workflow to live. Open the editor for your new workflow. Again, look to the top right for the three dots menu. Click it, then choose Import from File. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the JSON you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. n8n will read that file and load your nodes onto the canvas in the new workflow. Give the editor a moment to render everything. You should see the same nodes, the same connections, and the same general structure you had in the original workflow. If you notice any warnings about credentials or environment-specific variables, that's expected. Credentials aren't exported with the workflow JSON. So some nodes may need to be reconnected to the right credentials after import. Also, if your original workflow relied on variables, webhooks, or external resources that are unique to a particular environment, you may need to update those references to match the new context. If the import doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you selected the correct file and that it's a valid JSON exported from n8n. Avoid editing the JSON by hand unless you know exactly what you're changing. It's also a good idea to import into a clean, empty workflow to prevent accidental overlaps with existing nodes. And that's all there is to it. You download the JSON from the original workflow, then import that file into the new one. With this approach, you can quickly reuse proven automations, maintain consistency across environments, and save time on setup. Thanks for watching, and happy building in n8n.